Yo, what's up guys, I'm Director Flit and I'm bringing you opportunities right here to your face. Guys, times have changed and video content has become now the most popular kind of content creation and circulation among the community. Analytics from YouTube show that people are now viewing videos more than ever before in history. Man, I've created a number of music videos and I'm here urging you to join me in the video revolution that's going on right across the entire universe. And an example is the Gangnam Style video by PSY in 2013. It took it a whole 4 years to get to 3 billion views, and yet the recent Despacito music video, it took it only 2 years to achieve the same feat. Man, these days people don't care about production value. They want to see your content. People are caring about content value. So what is in front of the camera matters more than the camera itself. So guys, I'm urging you right now, punch fear in the face, forget about procrastination right now and press that record button. Yeah, for more videos like this, contact me, or don't forget to press the subscribe button right here, and I'll see you next week.